In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on GeForce Now. Before we begin, it's important to know that GeForce Now usually follows the language settings from your app, your system, or sometimes the individual game you're playing. So if the language looks different than expected, this setting is often the first place you should check. To get started, open Windows and go to your Account Settings area. From there, look for Account Management and then select Account Information. This is where you can review and update the main details connected to your account, including your display preferences. Once you're in Account Information, find the option labeled Preferred Language. This setting controls the display language used for your account experience. If you've been seeing menus, labels, or interface text in the wrong language, this is the section where you can adjust it. Open the Preferred Language menu and choose the display language you want to use. Take a moment here to make sure you select the correct option, especially if several languages are listed with similar names. Choosing the right regional variation can also make a difference in how menus and text appear. After selecting your new language, click Save. This is a very important final step because if you leave the page without saving, your changes may not be applied. Once you save, the updated language preference should take effect for your account. If you don't see the language update immediately, give it a moment and then refresh the app or reopen GeForce Now. In some cases, signing out and signing back in can also help the new display language appear properly. And remember, since GeForce Now can also reflect system or game language settings, you may need to review those as well if part of the interface or a specific game is still showing a different language. That's all there is to it. Open Windows, go to Account Management and Account Information, find Preferred Language, change the display language, and click Save. It's a simple process, but knowing where this option is can save you time and make the platform much easier to use in the language you prefer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your GeForce Now language settings quickly and easily.